Natural face packs for whitening skin. Everyone dreams of having picture perfect, flawless skin naturally. In this video, we have shown the best natural face packs for glowing skin that aid in improving skin health and lightening skin tone naturally at home. Potato and lemon pack. Potato is an age-old remedy for lightening the skin tone. It is an ideal solution to remove dark spots and pigmentation from the oily skin. It helps in removing dark circles formed under the eyes. Prepare a smooth paste by peeling and grating a small potato. Add few drops of lemon juice to it and apply it on the face. Wash it off after 15 to 20 minutes. Apply this paste once in every 2 to 3 days and observe results in 1 week. Tomato and curd face pack. Tomato and curd may work amazingly to get instant glow on your face. Tomato adds a good dose of antioxidants instantly to the skin and it helps in clearing tan on the face. Curd, on the other hand, helps in removing tan and also nourishes the skin with its nutritive ingredients. Take a medium-sized tomato and smash it. Squeeze out the juice. Add 2 spoons of homemade curd and mix them well. Apply the resulting pack onto your face and leave on 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with plenty of water and enjoy the instant healthy glow. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.